All right, what's going on, everybody? Y'all know what it is again. It's a pretty day out here, the sun's shining, and I'm on a prowl. I think I done spotted a restaurant that I never ate at before. So you know what it is, we finna do a taste test to see what they talking about. If they ain't talking about nothing, I will let you know. This is for the people that's coming out of town, you know, far as another state, or you coming from another country, and you done found your way in the Atlanta area, and you looking for a nice breakfast, or lunch, or brunch. Mainly a nice breakfast, if it's in the morning. We gonna stop by this place right here. Let me see. I hope it's open. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I just got lost. I had to jump off the bus and get back on another bus because I got off the first bus too early. So I'm hoping they still open. But here it is right here. Then the bus driver, he gonna lie. I asked him, has he passed the restaurant already? Gonna talk about some yeah. You don't even know where you at, crazy ass man. But here we go right here. We're gonna get straight to it. We're gonna just go on and let you see the restaurant right off top. Okay. And I used to pass this restaurant a lot because I worked on this street that I'm walking up. But I don't work on this street no more. Breakfast served daily until 2 p.m. Lunch, dinner items served all day. Wow. Y'all see the sign? We're gonna see what Martin is talking about. Y'all see the sign? Yeah, we're gonna see what they talking about, man. Let's go in here.